Jeg er taget til Wien i Østrig for at møde en mand, der har skilt mere end 11.000 vaskemaskiner ad.
This is a high-end washing machine which lasts for at least 20 years.
Right.
And on this side you have a classical throwaway washing machine which is dead after 3 to 5 years. It depends on how many washing cycles you do per week.
Sepp Eisenriegler er direktør hos Reparations- og Servicecenter RUSZ og har i mange år arbejdet i forskellige organisationer, der fremmer genbrug af blandt andet vaskemaskiner. Ifølge ham er de billigere vaskemaskiner produceret af materialer, der ikke er beregnet til at holde eller til at blive skiftet ud. Her er det en støddæmper og et kugleleje, der er problemet.
And if you have a problem with these ball bearings, you have a real problem because you cannot change this and there are no spare parts for it.
So what you're saying in a sense, Sepp, is that this machine is built to break down?
Yes. It's a classical throwaway washing machine.
Right.
Because if that is gone, if that doesn't work, you cannot change it, you would have to buy a spare part, which you see here, consisting of the ball bearings, of the plastic tub, and the drum.
Which would, in a sense, be a new machine, almost.
It costs more than the respective new machine.
Right.
So a repair service on that doesn't make sense.
Okay.
It's not economically feasible.
Yeah.
And I can understand our customers who have such a problem that they buy a new machine.
And what's so good about this machine?
The good thing is that the shock absorbers are of high quality.
Yeah.
So you might have to change the ball bearings maybe once during its lifetime.
Okay.
But if you're lucky and do not make too many washing cycles, you don't have to change the ball bearings once. But this is built to be replaced 1,000 times. That's not the problem. Okay. And it's a cheap repair service.
Right. Sepp Eisenriegler underbygger altså teorien om, at billigere vaskemaskiner ikke er bygget til at holde i mange år. Ifølge Sepp Eisenriegler er dette en stigende tendens.
So here it is. Yeah. This is our test laboratory in a climate chamber.
To af Sepp Eisenrieglers ansatte vil nu skille de to vaskemaskiner ad for os, for at demonstrere forskellen på en gammel og en ny. Og pointen er, så vidt jeg har forstået, at det er langt mere kompliceret at have med den nye fine maskine at gøre, hvis uheldet er ude.
Take it out.
So now he's opened the...
Now it's opened.
How old is this machine?
20 years.
20 years?
20 years.
Okay.
20 years. You can reach all parts. I think you can look to the engine and the heater, all of the front.
So whatever is wrong with... If something goes wrong with the machine, it's very easy to reach the part where there's a problem. And it didn't take you very long to disassemble it. So it will be quite easy to repair this machine.
Yes.
Den gamle maskine er bygget, så det er nemt at komme til de dele, der kan gå i stykker. Ifølge teknikeren kan de moderne vaskemaskiner mere end de gamle. Der er flere programmer, og der er bygget mere elektronik ind i dem. Og det betyder også, at der er mere, der kan gå i stykker.
The new one has very much electronic brains because there's some more electronics like the old one.
Yeah.
So we cannot call this only brain, but it's the control board.
Yeah.
And when you see no device on that there is a cable. That you have here's cable and the tension here. And when you put it outside, it's broken. This cable broken.
Okay.
No chance to have it. And this cable is the display.
Men det er ikke kun blevet vanskeligere at reparere maskinerne. Der er også en anden tendens, der bekymrer Sepp Eisenriegler.
We see that year by year the average lifetime of washing machine decreases. We see a trend towards so-called throwaway washing machines, which are cheap, but which are broken down after 3 to 5 years. One of the producers which we talked to during our washing machine tests told us frankly, our washing machines are designed for a certain time frame.
He told you that?
He told us that.
Wow.
And he said, if you buy a washing machine for 300 euros, you can expect a lifetime of 3 years. If you buy a washing machine of 500 euros, you can expect a lifetime of 500 euros. If you buy a washing machine for 800 euros, you can expect a lifetime of 8 years. And if you buy a washing machine which is more expensive, it is also technically designed to last only 8 years.
Okay.
This is the manufacturer of 2 brands in Europe.
Will you tell me which manufacturer that is that told you that? You won't. No.
I'm not allowed to tell you the test results in detail.
Okay. Sepp Eisenriegler og hans folk er ikke i tvivl om, at nyere vaskemaskiner på flere punkter er produceret dårligere end de gamle, og dermed har en kortere levetid.